Hi, everyone. My name is Christian Vargas with Starkweather, your partners in solving membership management problems. I'm here to talk to you today about creating custom components within an email template, and that way making creating other email templates easier and more efficient. It's a very fun feature that is housed in the template building process of emails, and it actually could help make building email templates more efficient and more faster. It entails saving components in a way you want, and then later on reusing them in other templates. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So what we're gonna do here is go to Directory and CRM. We're gonna go to Campaigns and Newsletters. Then we're gonna go to Email Templates. We're gonna add a new template, and we're gonna add a drag and drop template. As you can see, this template is very basic, nothing here to it. There's no content here. So what we'll do initially is create the component that we want to save. So let's just say you want something as simple as an image to the left and text to the right. Let's go here and create this. It's 2 columns. We're going to drag the image here. Then we're going to take some text. And just for this particular purpose, I'm going to use placeholder text. So I'm going to go over here, grab some placeholder text, and I'm going to put it in here. And we're going to save and close. Now, this is a component that's already built. What we can do here now is save this component. And what we're going to call this is image left of text. And we're going to save and close. And you're going to notice that in the bottom here, it has this image left of text component saved. And we could do this multiple times. Let me go ahead and create a second component here, but this time with the image to the right. So let's go ahead and come on here. Make sure it's 2 columns, yes it is. And then this particular case, we're going to do text to the left and an image to the right. We're going to grab the same placeholder text here and place it here. And what I'll do is save this also. And what we're going to do is image to the right of text. We're going to save that. Or we could do image right of text. And we're going to save and close. And boom, you're going to notice there's 2 here. We could keep going and create like footers, headers, or CTA sections that you'd want to use throughout emails. But let's just go and use this actual component in another email just so that we could see that it works and how it actually works. So we're going to save and exit this actual template. We're going to start all over again. We're going to do add and drag and drop template. And you're going to notice that these are here. All we technically need to do is grab your whatever content you've already created, drag it here, and it'll bring everything over for you. Same, and you could do this as much as you want. We could drag a couple of them. We could even nest these components within other components. So let's just say we wanted this area within this to have image to the left, text to the right. And this could go on. We could duplicate and create as much content, custom component as we want and have them reuse. So again, this is just a quick feature you could use throughout building email templates. Makes it easier, more efficient, and actually doesn't have to drag you through the process of recreating some of these custom components that you know you're going to reuse throughout other email templates. That's it for now. If you have any other questions or have any concerns about what I just talked about, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We'll be happy to help you. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you.